What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple product pages on your Shopify store. So here I have my Shopify homepage opened, and as you can see here I'm signed in to, and my store name is on the top here. So what you want to do is go to online store, click on online store, then click on pages, and then click on add page right here. So you want to add a page, so let's name it like sample or test product 1. Okay, and then you want to click on save. And once you click on save, here you have this option to duplicate or view page. So we want to duplicate this page, and we want to provide a name for the new page. So instead of copy of test product 1, let's name it test product 2. Okay, and then click on duplicate. And let's do it another time. So create a third page. So let's duplicate it another time. And let's name the third one test product 3. So now we created a 3 products page. And in the product page, you can enter the product, the page name, as you can see, and enter a description. We didn't enter a description just for the sake of this video. So let's click on duplicate to create the third page right here. Now what we want to do is customize these pages. So here in the online store, we want to click on themes. And then in the current theme, we want to click on customize. And in here, we want to click on home page at the top, and then go to pages, click on pages, and here default page. So as you can see, it is assigned to 3 pages. So these are the 3 pages, the product pages that we created. So we want to click on default page here. And here in this page, we see test product 1. So we can edit any element of this page. So we can, like this page here, this section, we can go here and edit the different settings of the section here. And we can also add a section in the middle. So we can add like sections. We can add an email sign up. So like subscribe to our email like lists. And here you can add also apps. So there are no apps that are found right now. Let's go back here. And what we want to do here, once we open the test page and or test product page, and you add section, you want to edit details and so on. So in the template here, where it says page, you want to click on add section. And here you want to click on sections. And you can add a featured collection or a featured product. So you can create a page for featured products. So you can set it that each page opens or previews a certain product or a featured collection. For this video, let's choose a featured product right here. So now it added a section with an example product, a featured product. So you can edit the title, the price, and all the settings right here. We can also select a color scheme or like a color palette. So select this one, okay. So you can customize however you want to your page to look like. And you can also here, if we click on featured product, the title itself instead of the elements, so click here, we can also select the product. So the first option is to select product. We can click on it. We have here the sample or the dummy product that we added, and if you have added a product, your own product, you can see them here, and you also have the option here to create a product. So here, let's create a product really quickly just to show you like the process of creating a product. Okay, let's see like PC cable to create like a simple cable. Okay, this is a computer cable, and you can also description edit like the style and everything as photos, links, and so on. So here you upload photos. So let's add this photo of this cable right here. Now it's electronics, okay? It detects the product category, or we can add it ourselves. So for the price, let's say it's 10 Egyptian pounds, since it detects that my location is in Egypt. Compare price, okay, 10, cost per item 8, so that the profit is $2, track quantity. Okay, the shop location, continue selling when out of stock, but you do not want to do this. So here the weight is like in grams, so like 30 or like 100 grams. Okay, variants, you can add options like sizes, colors, materials, and styles. So we do not want to do this right now, so we will delete this section. Okay, and now we can click on save right here. You can also add more images for the product and everything. So here we created a product, so let's close this page right now. And in the product page, let's go back and click close the select product. So let's click on select product. And as you can see here, our product that we added is now added. So here you can click and select this product. So you can create as many products as you want and add them in your page. And here in the collection, in the featured collection, we can also add a featured collection if we have a collection. So here we can click on featured collection and like edit the name so that it is let's name it summer collection. Okay, heading size medium, small, or large, so let's make it small. And here you can select the collection from your collections, or you can also create a collection if you do not have one. So here, if we click on create collection, we can go ahead and create a collection of products. So we will not do this right now for this video. However, you can do it from here and add a collection. So let's close this create collection page now and go back to this theme editor. Now let's exit. Okay, sorry, let's save before we exit. Okay, didn't save the changes that we created. Now let's exit, and now let's add the product pages that we added to our homepage or to our layout. So here we want to click on navigation, and then in the main menu, and select the main menu that appears at the top here, and then we can click on add menu item, and in the name here you want to type in products, and here you can search or paste links. So click on pages, and here you have your 3 test products pages that you created. So let's select product 1 and then click on add. Let's add another menu item, so let's name it product 2, and let's add a page and then add the test product 2. You can also create a third one for the test product 3. Now you can drag them and change the location. So let's make them under home right here. Okay, and now click on save menu. And now once you go to online store and click on view here, your store will open in a new window, and here as you see, our featured product is now added, or featured products are added on the home screen. So let's go to home, and as you can see, a drop down menu with the 2 products page, the product 1 and the product 2. So the test product 1 and the test product 2 that we added. So that is how easy it is to create multiple products pages on your Shopify store.